Oh my goodness, another easy, delish dessert right here that turned out amazing. Oh, let's cut a. I hate to cut a piece, it turned out so pretty. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think about it. And let's go ahead and get us a piece. As you can see already, we are making a very beautiful, elegant, strawberry filled white cake. Elegant doesn't always have to be complicated. We're keeping this fairly simple with a little bit of a change up. We're gonna have eggs in this dessert, oil, white cake mix, some buttermilk, and I'm choosing to go with store-bought frosting to keep it very simple, and then some strawberry pie filling. We will be using the directions on here, except for the buttermilk is being used in place of the water. So to get started on this, I'm gonna take our eggs right here, and we're gonna separate the yolks out. We're just using the egg whites. Oh, lost that one. I just made a mess. Okay, let's try this one again. Eggs just ain't turning out like they usually do here lately. Let me know in the comment section how y'all separate y'all's eggs out. I've tried to use the little spoons with the holes in it made for it, but I have better luck like this. That one cracked good. And while I'm finishing this up right here, I want to welcome all the new subscribers we have. And thank you for anybody that hits that like button, or even sharing it on Facebook and through text messages. It really helps more than what everybody knows. One left. I'm gonna do this one in this bowl, and hopefully it'll break good. I'd hate to run all three of those egg whites if this last one messed up. It's about like my luck a lot of times. If it wasn't for bad luck, it'd be no luck. There we go. I'll get this cleaned up and get back with y'all in just a minute. So we're gonna take these 4 egg whites now and put them in our mixing bowl. We're also gonna turn this around so you can see if you want to. We're using 4 egg whites, half a cup of oil. So now we're gonna add the half cup of oil. And to make this dessert even better, you could substitute butter in place for the oil. I have heard from our subscribers that does make it taste so much better. And now we're gonna substitute 1 1/4 cup of water with 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk. This right here is what takes a box cake mix up to the next level. If you're using water in your cake mixes, you are not doing it right. Am I wrong on that? Y'all let them know. Now we're gonna take this cake mix, the white cake mix, Little tip is always use scissors in the kitchen. Makes it a lot quicker and easier than trying to open those bags. There you go. Get my mess cleaned up here. Now we're gonna grab the mixer and get this cake mix mixed up real good. And we chose to do a round cake with this recipe so that we can play around with decorations a little bit. At this point, you've already seen the decoration of the cake, the final picture of it. Just divide your batter out between both pans. Spread it out evenly. And bake as instructed on the box. Or a recipe if you're using your own homemade recipe.